So when you say you are in England
Yeah.
and the purchase, whatever, about the land conversation.
Yeah.
So the person thinks that they can buy the
I
land.
don't do anything here. We just share thoughts and idea what can happen. It's not like anything happen as yet.
You know,
Right.
no,
Just
but
assuming what can happen. Yeah.
I understand that, but forget about your part because that do happen in Jamaica in real life.
I know.
People in Canada, people in Asia, people in America, and people in England send tap into the system of Jamaica with them family, them loved one. And you know what happens at the end of the day? When you come, you spend 5, 10 million, 20 million in Jamaica. And when you come to Jamaica, you don't have the key and you can't end the argument with me. Because if you do that, you know what happened to you, right?
Don't say the word.
Okay.
Don't say the word.
Exactly.
Don't say the word.
Exactly.